Hi, I'm Russell Moan from InPlay Technology, and this is the first in a series of videos I'm going to make about our NanoBeacon Evaluation Kit, which is available now. So in this one, I just want to kind of give you an overview of the evaluation kit and show you what's inside. So this is the box it comes in. It's based off the IN100 chip. That's the underlying chip that makes NanoBeacon possible. And it says right on the box, configure beacon through app, no firmware required. So that's one of our main value propositions. You don't need to be a sophisticated firmware programmer or know the Bluetooth standard in detail to get going with this. And on the back, it hits on some of our major use cases, which is active RFID or marry with a sensor and basically beacon out sensor data of any kind. Some of the key features is it's ultra low power consumption, so you can run for years on a coin cell battery, and the power source range in terms of voltage is quite large. It can work from 1.1 volt up to 3.6 volt. So let's have a look. So inside, there are a bunch of ESD bags, 3 bags in here. So one is the programmer, one is the tag, and actually this one is some chips. So I can show you quickly. So the chips are given if you're savvy with soldering and you want to replace the chips on the die. This is actually our largest package. It's QFN 20, and it's 3x3. So I'll put those back in the bag so I don't lose them. So there's some spare chips. And in this, take these out of the bags. So this is the programmer board, and it has a USB connector on it, so that's for connecting to a PC, which will run the configuration software, which is pretty simple to use. And this is the tag itself, and you can see on the tag there's a printed antenna. This is the IN100 chip. This is a 26 megahertz crystal, and there's a decoupling capacitor. So the actual required BOM is those 3 devices, and the other optional devices, there's a sensor. This is a temperature sensor here, and there's some pull-down resistor for basically not enabling the chip until the power is applied. And on the back side, you can see there's a battery clip for CR1220, which is 40 milliamp hour capacity. So how this will work, the programmer device plugs into the tag, and the configuration is set up on the PC, and it's possible to kind of run a test of the configuration. And once the test passes and behaves as you want it to, you can write it into the one-time programmable memory on the device, disconnect, and then insert the battery, and then you have a working beacon. So thanks for that, and I will show you how to do that in a demo in the next video.